What's going on, guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. So we're coming to the end of this year, and with a new year brings new opportunities. So I wanted to make this video giving my opinions as far as what do I think are going to be some of the best businesses to start in 2019. If you're familiar with my channel or if you watch videos in my particular niche, then, hopefully you're trying to create some sort of income online, whether that be a full-time income or you just want to make a little bit of money on the side. Regardless, I think there's a lot of opportunities out there for people to make money online, so that's why I wanted to make this video. So there's gonna be 3 of the best businesses to start in 2019, in my particular opinion, and in the end, I will give you my personal favorite business model that I think people should go into. So let's get started. So the first business is gonna be an email marketing agency or an email marketing business, whatever you wanna call it. So your sole purpose is going to be email, right? You're gonna work on your copywriting skills, which is, essentially you're just trying to sell through words, trying to sell on paper, right? That's what copywriting is. That's not the exact definition, but to keep it simple, that's what it is. You're trying to sell through your words that you type out. Okay, so your sole focus is email. You can do this a few different ways. You're going to partner with people that already have that email list, so you don't have to worry about building one. You're gonna partner with, let's say, for example, a YouTuber. Let's say, for example, your favorite YouTuber is in the entrepreneur niche or the making money online niche. So they're most likely gonna have an email list that they have. Now, if they're a big enough YouTuber or if they have, different businesses that they're working on, they might not have time to focus on email marketing. Although it's a very, very important part of a business, they might not have time to market to that email list as much as they would like. So that's where you come in. You come in and you say, hey, I can manage your email list and market to them. You come to an agreement as far as an email a day, a couple emails a week, whatever your agreement is, and then they will pay you a fee. Whatever that YouTuber or person is willing to pay you, I think the average is about $1,000 to $1,500 on the low end as far as you can make a month managing an email list. Obviously, if they have a huge email list and you are making them a lot more money, you can charge more money if you know what you're doing and if you have those skills. Now, real quick, all of these businesses that we're going to be talking about, there is going to be a learning curve. You are going to need to learn how to do all of these things, regardless of which business it is. So you can either teach yourself or you can go and find a course. There's no courses here. There's no courses linked down below or anything like that. I'm just telling you that, there are courses out there that will help you with this. Just make sure it's a good course. Just make sure it's a legitimate course from somebody that knows what they're talking about and isn't just trying to scam you guys. All right, so that first one is an email marketing agency or email marketing business, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the second business to start in 2019 is a digital marketing agency. Now notice how I didn't say an ads agency or a social media agency. At the end of the day, you're just trying to get a business owner more customers. Okay, and you're gonna be that line between a business owner and customers, and you're gonna link them together, right? That at the end of the day, that's what you're trying to do. You're just trying to get them more customers. That's what they're paying you for, and that's your whole goal here. I think this is a great business to start in 2019, but like I said earlier, I didn't say a Facebook ads agency. I didn't say a social media marketing agency. I said a digital marketing agency. You wanna try to have the whole package. So when you're pitching yourself to local businesses, you have the whole package. You can run SEO, you can run ads, you can run their social media. Whatever it is that they want, they can come to you and do it. Now, are they gonna purchase that package right from the beginning? No, but you have different packages to offer. You might start out just doing SEO, search engine optimization, and then you upsell them to, you're gonna do SEO and ads, and then you upsell them to, you're gonna do SEO, ads, and social media. You want your agency to have the ability to do all of that for them. Now, obviously, it goes without saying that if you're running their SEO, you're running their Facebook ads, and you're running their social media, you better be making a lot more than $1,000 a month. Now, if you're doing small packages, you can do $1,000 a month, $1,500 a month. But if you're doing all of that together, you better be making a lot more money, okay? Because it's a lot more work. And if you're charging $1,000 a month to do all of that, you're not gonna get a very good return on your investment, because that is a lot of work for you to do for $1,000 a month. And now let's get to the third and my personal favorite, which none of you guys should be surprised if you follow me, and that is getting onto the Amazon platform. Amazon FBA, I think, is gonna have a record year in 2019. Regardless if you wanna get into retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, private label, or wholesale, which is what I'm gonna be talking about, it's gonna be a great opportunity for whichever business model you get into. Specifically though, if we're talking about what is the best opportunity for somebody new to the platform, in my opinion, it would be wholesale. It's the least competitive, which I've said before, but it offers the greatest opportunity for those people coming in that are brand new. And if you're unfamiliar with what wholesale is on Amazon, you're pretty much partnering with big brands that sell, brand name products and selling them on Amazon's platform. You're buying them in a large amount of quantity, or you're partnering with a smaller brand that sells well on Amazon and then partnering with them specifically. But regardless, you're not creating any products, you're not taking any photos, you're not running any advertising. You're only focusing on products that sell well, that they're already trusted and people already know about them. So usually that comes with a higher sales velocity, which makes our life a lot easier because we don't have to optimize anything. Everything's already done. We just have to worry about finding the supplier that sells that product and then getting that product to Amazon. So that's wholesale, brand names on the Amazon platform, and you're selling them and getting the profit. I think this is the low-hanging fruit, and I think it's only gonna grow in 2019. All right, everybody, so that is my opinion as far as some of the best businesses to start in 2019. If you're not making money online already, try one of these out. Whichever one appeals to you the most, then obviously pursue that one to its fullest. One thing that you don't want to do, and it's easier said than done, and I've done it and I think everybody has done it, don't get that shiny object syndrome. Don't try to get all of these businesses that I talked about today and try to do all of them at once, because then you're gonna get nowhere. You know, if you try to run 3 different races, you're only gonna get so far. As opposed to if you just go one direction and one direction only, you're gonna get a lot farther. So keep that in mind. I know it's a lot easier said than done because in today's age, there seems to be opportunities everywhere and you don't wanna miss out. But remember, you're gonna get a lot farther focusing on one avenue more than if you focus on 5 different avenues. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I really appreciate you guys watching until the end. If you haven't done so already, like and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in that next video.